Hey everyone, it's Manish and welcome to our channel Tech Tonic. Today, we're diving deep into the Xiaomi 14, a smartphone that's been making waves with its sleek design and impressive specs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Xiaomi 14 comes in this stunning jade green color that definitely catches the eye. It's got a premium feel with a flat display and a sleek design. The 6.36-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED display is a visual treat. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. The peak brightness of 3000 nits is impressive, making it perfect for outdoor visibility. Let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. Xiaomi has partnered with Leica to bring some serious photography chops to this phone. The 50MP main sensor with Light Fusion 900 technology captures incredible detail and handles backlit scenes like a champ. The 50MP telephoto macro lens is versatile for close-ups and portraits, while the 50MP ultra-wide lens captures stunning landscapes. We've tested the camera in various lighting conditions, and the results are impressive. Low light performance is particularly strong thanks to the large sensor and image processing. Video stabilization is solid, and the ability to record in 8K with Dolby Vision is a huge plus for videographers. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which means blazing fast performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this phone handles it all with ease. The UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM ensure smooth app launches and quick load times. Xiaomi's ice-loop cooling system keeps things cool even under heavy load. Battery life is decent, getting you through a full day with moderate to heavy use. The real star here is the charging speed. The included 120W hypercharger tops up the battery incredibly fast, and the 50W wireless charging is a convenient option. Xiaomi's HyperOS is clean and intuitive, with some useful features. It's based on Android 14, so you get the latest OS goodies. The Xiaomi 14 is a solid flagship contender. It offers a great combination of design, performance, camera capabilities, and fast charging, while battery life could be slightly better. It's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for a premium smartphone with a focus on photography and performance, the Xiaomi 14 is definitely worth considering. That's all for now. Let us know your thoughts on the Xiaomi 14 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.